which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
You can see on the screen details like details like category, specific example details, etc.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy their stay. Standard deals and offers are available